sa nga atong vlog karon kay mag-exercise ta 6 minutes exercise. Pero before ta mag-exercise, mag-warm up sa taona. Let's go.
Warm-up exercise help prepare the body before the main workout. It increases heart rate, improves blood circulation, and loosens the muscles and joints to avoid injury. Warm-up also help to the body move better and make exercise easier to perform.
So naman tag warm up. Susugdan na nato atong first exercise, jumping jack. Let's go.
Step 1. Stand straight with your feet together and arms at your side. Step 2. Jump and spread your legs apart. Step 3. At the same time, raise your arms above your head. Step 4. Jump again and bring your legs back together. Step 5. Lower your arms back to your side. Step 6. Repeat the movement at a steady pace. Jumping jacks help the whole body by increasing heart rate and blood circulation. This exercise strengthens the legs, arms while improving coordination and stamina. It also helps prepare the muscles and joints before doing harder exercise.
Second exercise na to is high knees. Let's go.
Step 1. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Step 2. Start jogging in place slowly. Step 3. Lift and knee and toward your chest. Step 4. Quickly switch and lift and other knee. Step 5. Swing your arms naturally while moving. Step 6. Continue alternating knees and fast steady pace. Step 7. Keep your back straight and land softly on your feet. High knees exercise helps improve cardio endurance, strengthen the legs, and increase heart rate. It also helps warm up the whole body, move quickly while keeping good balance and posture.
Third exercise na to is push up. Let's go.
Step 1. Place your hands on the floor shoulder width apart. Step 2. Extend your legs straight behind you. Step 3. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Step 4. Slowly lower your body by bending your elbow. Step 5. Lower until your chest is near the floor. Step 6. Push your body back up to the starting position. Step 7. Repeat the movement and slowly and correctly. The push-up helps straighten the chest, arms, shoulders, and core muscles. Keep your back straight and avoid bending your hips to maintain proper form.
Fourth exercise na to is squat. Let's go.
Squat. Step 1. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Step 2. Keep your hands in front of your side. Step 3. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body. Step 4. Keep your back straight and chest up. Step 5. Lower until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor. Step 6. Push the truth your heels to the stand back up. Step 7. Repeat the move slowly and correctly. The squat exercise helps to straighten the legs, thighs, and glutes. It also improves balance and lower your body straight. Keep your back straight and do not let your knees go too far forward.
Fifth exercise na to is lunges. Let's go.
Step 1. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Step 2. Step 1 foot forward. Step 3. Slowly bend both knees until your back knee is close to the floor. Step 4. Keep your upper body straight and look forward. Step 5. Push back up to the starting position. Step 6. Repeat using the other leg. Step 7. Continue alternating legs slowly and properly. The lunges exercise helps straighten the legs, thighs, and glutes. It also improves balance and coordination. Keep your back straight and do not let your foot go beyond your toes.
And last exercise na to is plank. Let's go.
Step 1. Lie face down on the floor. Step 2. Place your forearms on the ground and keep your elbows under your shoulders. Step 3. Lift your body using your toes and forearms. Step 4. Keep your body straight from the head to feet. Step 5. Tighten your stomach muscles and do not let your hips drop. Step 6. Hold the position while breathing normally. Step 7. Slowly lower your body down to reset. The plank exercise helps to straighten the core muscles including the stomach, back, and shoulder. It also improves balance and posture. Keep your body straight and avoid lowering your hips to the exercise correctly.
Naman na itong exercise ang unom kabok. Mag-cool down na ta. Let's go.
Cool down helps the body relax after exercise. It slowly lowers the heart rate and helps prevent muscle pain and dizziness. Cool down exercises also improve flexibility and help the muscle recover properly.
just had to let you know you're